Hey guys, after that live stream where I took out my Tumbler for the first time, it's been sitting there for like a year. I think the brand is Loratone. I do recommend it because it is very quiet. And I normally never used the Tumbler before. I used to just go to the coin store, get the gift card for the 100%. But there are a lot of coins that, because I'm pulling a lot of them now, and some of the dates you can't see. So I did want to see them and be able to roll them up and bring them back to the bank to get the money. But if you have any coins that are worth more than the face value, silver coins, rare coins, do not tumble them. I'm just giving you a warning. It will ruin the patina, and the face value. I mean, the value will be diminished. You're not supposed to clean coins. So I'm just showing you. These are just coins that I found metal detecting that I wanted to clean up, see the dates, and get them back into circulation with no problem. And as you can see, I just want to share how quiet this machine is and the outcome. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but quick video to show you how good this works. Okay, guys, enjoy. All right, look,
so guys,
so Tumbler.
Okay, Tumbler there.
And just put the quarters in. All the quarters are going in, except for that one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, it's a 64. We don't want to put that in there. Yeah, show it off. Over here, babe. I'll put all these quarters in here.
64.19.
Make sure these
kidding.
are.
I'm not 64.19. 64. 64.
Any more quarters? Old. That's all the quarters. You back it up a little. Did I bring the soap down? Yep, we got the Dawn. Yeah, these are the pennies. A lot of the zinc-ins didn't make it. But a lot of the other ones got cleaned up real nice. All the dirt came off of them. Like that. But the zinc-ins, the ocean does a real toll on them. So we put a little bit of this. That's it. Is that? I think that's a good one. It's gonna take a long time. Oh, it's working. I guess we could use that. That's good? Yeah, it's good. All right, we're gonna leave it on there for a couple hours, see what happens. All right, after testing out that Tumbler, did a pretty good job. Some of them came out really good. You can see the dates on every one of them now. So it's all clad, and I had one foreign coin in there. Pretty cool. I highly recommend doing this. I usually just went to the coin store, but I'm not going to any supermarkets until it's a little safer out there. Look at that. I gotta roll these up. I recommend that brand. It's very quiet. Put a little bit of soap with the rocks, water, and then when before I took them out, I rinsed it inside and dumped the water out outside. And that's that. If you enjoyed the vid. So those coins came out great. I forgot to add. I was always told not to mix the pennies and the other coins together because it could stain them. So that's why I just did all quarters. So I just wanted to give you that tip before you do it. And yeah, it came out great. All right, hopefully next video I'll show you something more in depth. It is pretty simple, very easy to use, a tumbler. I'll show something more in depth next time to make it even more simplified for you. But I just want to go out and say that I was lucky to get this from a family member. And it is extremely quiet. I highly recommend it. And as you can see, the coins look great. You could also use BBs. It came with like the fish gravel. That's what you saw. And you can even reuse it once it dries. I wouldn't put it back in the bag until it dries out. Leave it out so you don't get any kind of mold or anything. But yeah, this is a cheap way to clean your clad. Or people who mudlark, like people in Thames River or Dead Horse Bay. Metal Detecting NYC, sometimes the channel finds things that are rusted to all hell, look horrible. They put in the tumbler, or they use electrolysis, and sometimes something you think may be junk may not be. It could be treasure. So I'll leave a link in the description of what tool I just used here. And hope this video was helpful. If you like the content on my channel and see more metal detecting live streams, click the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.